Hi, this is Siddharth Kanan, and you're entering into my world of celebrity interviews. I'm in Amsterdam, and you can see that I'm going on a canal cruise. What a view, man! So, in a few seconds from now, we're going to enter into a star's life. Who is that gonna be? Remember, subscribe, like, and share my videos. 1, 2, 3, sha!
You've driven a scooter in this as well, right? Things like riding a cycle, which you do in real life, sitting in an auto rickshaw. You have a very close connection with cycles as well. मुझे किसी ने कहा कि जब आप school days में bandstand में cycle पर wheelies किया करते थे. Is that true?
Yeah, I used to cycle a lot. I still cycle. All the stunts in Maine Pyar Kiya were done by me on a cycle. And the jump that I did, about 3 cycles broke down at that point in time. The fork टूट गए थे.
No, but your auto rickshaw rides with Amir, everything has been always publicized. Do you miss doing those
Amir?
base? At one time, you used to sit with Amir and go on auto rickshaw ride and all that stuff. No?
Really?
Yeah, you
ये
did.
कब हुआ?
ये हुआ था कुछ समय पहले. In fact, आमिर ने मेरे शो पे ही कहा था वो.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Oh yes. अच्छा.
अच्छा. But do you, being a star, do you miss doing these basic things like riding a cycle where people don't mob you, using?
But I do these things. I do a lot of these things. Even like to shoots. Instead of sitting in the car, I cycle to shoots. Cardio भी हो जाता है उसके साथ.
You know, एक प्यारी सी गुड़िया थी whose video went viral when she was actually crying during Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Yeah.
You actually met her और उसको आपने help किया to cast in this film as well, Suzy करके. How was your meeting with Suzy? वो गुड़िया के साथ.
Yeah, Kabir showed me a clipping with the mother and daughter in some theater, and she's saying, "I love him, but I love him." I love his clap. That was really sweet. And then about 2-3 months ago, I saw this girl wants to meet me, and it turned out to be the same girl. So I met up with this girl. I was at the farm. I was trekking up the mountains. I came down, and I had that short hair and that mustache and the beard. And she comes and hugs me. First thing she said, she said, "But you're ugly now."
Oh, she actually said that.
Why so ugly? You're ugly now. You're ugly now. I said, yes, baby. Ugly now, wait. I'll take this off. And then, so every time she like talks to me, are you still ugly? Are you still ugly? Still ugly.
No, but the way she cried, man.
She hated the beard and the mustache. Full nautanki she is.
Full nautanki.
Full nautanki.
Your love for kids is known. In fact, हाल ही में आपने एक पिक्चर भी डाला था ट्विटर पे जहाँ पे एक लड़के के साथ आपने एयरपोर्ट में फोटो खिंचाई.
Oh man, that kid is something else. Everyone who's watching this and who takes pictures just because उनके पास एक सेल फोन है और सेल फोन के अंदर कैमरा है और उनको ऐसा लगता है कि इजाज़त नहीं लेनी पड़ती है. Learn from that kid. उसका किस्सा सुनाता हूँ मैं आपको. And everyone was, including staff at the airport, restricted area as well, not allowed to take pictures. कोई एकदम चुपचाप से पिक्चर ले रहा है तो कोई blatantly आके ले रहा है. तो वहाँ से जा रहा हूँ तो एक खुद सेल्फी ले रहा है me in the background without asking anything. I mean that's not our upbringing. At least जो Indian culture जो कि बहुत ही एक culturally हम लोग बहुत strong है, वो तो एक disappear ही हो गया वो. और एक लड़का जिसको मैंने tweet किया, you know how I tweeted that. He came and he said, "Sir, can I take a picture with you?" I said, "You're the only one person who I want to take a picture with you."
So dignified, yeah.
And I took a picture with him. He was from Satara, I think. He took a picture, and the staff kept the picture. I got in touch with the staff, and I said, because I knew the person who had taken the picture, so find out who is the person who clicked that picture with her phone, because he was unaccompanied. I met him at the airport, said bye to him, and left from there. And I want to take a picture myself with him and tweet it, but वो भीड़ भाड़ के अंदर we had to go to where to.
And you finally hunted him down and got that picture.
We got that picture and I tweeted the picture, and you know what the tweet was.
So अगर वो लड़का ये शो देख रहा है, we love you for your dignity, okay? Thank you for being you. सुल्तान हो या कोई अदर फिल्म हो, फिल्म रिलीज होने से पहले ही लोग कहते हैं कि सलमान खान की फिल्म ब्लॉकबस्टर हो जाएगी. Sincerely because of the love of your fans. Have you ever tried to analyze your bond with the fans?
यार ये मैं मैं ये टेस्ट करूं कोई पुरानी पिक्चर लगा के कि ये पिक्चर फ्लॉप हुई थी, जैसे कि निश्चय है, जैसे कि सूर्यवंशी, जागृति, ये लगा के देखूं कि यार ये लव ऑफ द फैंस।
एक फेज था, आफ्टर दैट रिपीटेड बैक टू बैक, दैट वाज अ फेज।
अगर कुछ भी चलता है तो ये लगा के देख लेता हूँ यार। ये चल जाना चाहिए, आई थिंक इट शुड वर्क। तो इसमें खर्चा भी कुछ नहीं होगा, सिर्फ ये होगा कि वो पिक्चर डाल के एक पब्लिसिटी कर लो, बोलो कि ये पिक्चर आ रही है, निश्चय देख लो। You need, with all the love and everything, you also need to give them a good film. So when they say ना कि यार ये पिक्चर is larger than the films, ये क्या पिक्चर है, कुछ भी करता है, they connect with those films. They enjoy those films. They thoroughly enjoy the films. And the people who sit at home on a desk and get paid to write an article which is a negative article, which goes under the name of being a critic, I don't care about that.
You don't care about reviews and stuff like that?
No, they write good, I don't care. They write bad, I don't care. And I don't think even my fans do that. They don't care. It's people who basically want to write a whole script and make it into such a large hit, is not being able to do that. So he's writing a bitter thing on in a small column.
Wow.
Cheers to them.
Cheers to them. Fans always work.
Enjoy.
This is a Yash Raj film. Any other memories that you have with Yash Chopra ji that you'd like to share with us?
My father has shared a lot of memories with him because my father's worked a lot with him. And my father's got great regards for Mr. Yash Chopra. And also another Yash, that is Yash Johar, that's Karan's father. Both these men were phenomenal. And we don't have them on this planet anymore. But I mean, the work that they've done and what they've left behind in terms of the films and their children is phenomenal.
Wrestling, now thanks to you, is now going to be a big sport in itself.
No, I want to actually find out. Somebody was telling me that, you know, that there were a lot of these mud pit akhadas, you know, real.
Of course,
mud
especially
akhadas.
Rural areas.
Yeah, no, in Mumbai and stuff like that.
Huh.
They were shut down. Somebody was telling me that they have started reopening them. It would be so cool, actually, yeah, if this comes into, you know, back into recognition, because wrestling is a very big sport in our country.
SRK came to the sets of Sultan and visited you as well. It's great to see the whole camaraderie where everyone's supporting each other, promoting trailers, putting up posters on the Twitter handle. It's a great time for Indian cinema with the kind of support that's coming across the board.
Yes, that's the way it should be. That's the way it should always be.
Do you think that essence was lost, and do you think it's coming back how it used to be in old school days, sab mil jul ke?
See, when you're growing up together, na, you know, everyone's friends, and then comes a time where, you know, there's someone saying this and someone saying that, and the press is challenging things, and then you're busy, you're doing your thing, you know, you don't actually get into, you know, finding out what's happening, and there's distances grow anyway, you know, because you're busy here, he's busy there. So-and-so's busy there with families, you know. And then when you do a movie together, it all comes back. Or when you meet up, it all comes back. So just because one is not meeting people for the longest time, that does not mean that the friendship is over. It's always there. You start off right from, you know, the day you left. Even if you had a problem and then you make up, it starts off from the day you had the problem. This gap is edited from there, and from the time you were like so close, starts off straight from there again.
एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, मैंने अपनी मम्मी को बोला कि मैं आपको साथ पंजा लड़ाऊंगा, एक पंजा लड़ा लो मेरे से।
मम्मी को बोलना कि मम्मी को बोलना कि सलमान ने ये कहा है कि अगले इंटरव्यू में पहले ये दिखाओ कि सिड अपनी माँ को बीट कर सकता है या नहीं?
माँ को कभी नहीं बीट सकता बाबा, कौन बीट कर सकता अपनी माँ को?
एग्जैक्टली।
हाँ
एग्जैक्टली। तो माँ को नहीं बीट कर सकते तो बाप को बीट करोगे?
नहीं सर, आप डर गए मेरे डोले देखकर।
हाँ, डर गया सर।
थैंक यू सो मच सलमान, लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट यू, थैंक यू सो मच। ये लीजिए, मैं जीत गया, मैंने पंजा लड़ा दिया। थैंक यू।
आपने मुझे गिराया, ऊपर वाला आपको गिराएगा।
Hi, I'm at the Canal Cruise in Amsterdam, and yes, you can see the beauty all around me. I'm having such a good time, और मुझे यकीन है कि आप लोग भी बहुत enjoy कर रहे हैं with my YouTube videos, with my celebrity chat shows. Like, subscribe, share, ये मेरा motto है. Give me your suggestions. Drop in a message. Tell me what do you think about the interviews, what questions I should ask. Remember, I'm enjoying in Amsterdam. You enjoy my videos. Chakne Fatte.